Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We've been making a simple spring wreath. And so you can use whatever color you like. I've got some white flowers here. I've got some pink. And then I have like a little chartreuse with a little bit of pink in the center of it. And then I've got some white. Looks like baby's breath, but it's not. It's called gypso. I got some of that from Dollar Tree as well. I've got a monogram letter here, which I may or may not be using. I think I picked this up at Michael's some time ago. You're going to need some floral wire, one of these grapevine wreaths from Dollar Tree. I've got some pink ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then I've got this black and white houndstooth ribbon, and I think I picked this up at Michael's or Walmart. I'm not really sure where I picked this up, but I've had it for a while. But you'll need two different kinds of ribbon for this. I've got some wire cutters, and I also have some hot glue. These are the items that we'll need to create the wreath, so let's get started. hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.